तो जनरल एप्टीट्यूड के आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं पार्टनरशिप की। पार्टनरशिप क्या होता है? टू रन अ बिजनेस और एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वी नीड टू हैव पार्टनरशिप। देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ पार्टनर्स: working partners and sleeping partners. Working partners, those partners who invest the money and manage the business or affairs of organization, are called working partners. Sleeping partners, those partners who merely invest money and do not involve in business affairs, are called sleeping partners. Mainly there are four types of condition related to distribution of profile profit in business. Partnership condition 1: when time period of investment is constant, then profit of partners will be divided into ratio m1 ratio m2 m3 ratio mn ऐसे चलता रहता है. When m2 ratio m2 m3 ratio mn are investment of respective partners. Condition 2: when amount invested is same for different partners but time period is different, the profit will be divided into ratio of their time invested, that is T1 रेशियो T2 रेशियो T3 रेशियो से लेकर के Tn तक. पार्टनरशिप कंडीशन 3: वेन अमाउंट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड टाइम पीरियड बोथ आर डिफरेंट फॉर डिफरेंट पार्टनर्स, then profit will be divided into following ratio: m1 T1 ratio m2 T2 ratio m3 T3 ratio m3 mn Tn, where m1 m2 m3 are the respective amounts and T1 T2 से Tn तक are the respective time period of their investment. Condition 4: multiple investment for different time period. In the case, profit will be divided into following ratio: समेशन ऑफ m1 T1, समेशन ऑफ m2 T2, समेशन ऑफ m3 T3 से लेकर के m3 T4 तक. What will be the ratio if there three partners A, B and C are investing to 20,000, 40,000 and 60,000 for 1 year? Same period. Ratio of profit, ratio of investment, 20,000, 45,000, 60,000. 4 ratio 9 ratio 12. Divided Rs 500 among A, B, C and D so that A and B together get thrice as many as C and D together. D gets 4 times of what C gets, and C gets 10 times as much as D. Now the value of what B gets is. दिया हुआ है हमको कि a प्लस बी प्लस सी प्लस डी इजकल टू 500, ए प्लस बी इजकल टू 5 टाइम्स सी प्लस डी, तो b इजकल टू 4, c इजकल टू 6d, c इजकल टू 10d, a प्लस 6d प्लस 10d प्लस d इजकल टू 500, a इजकल टू 500 माइनस 8.5d, तो 500 माइनस 8.5d प्लस 6d इजकल टू 3, 6.5d प्लस d, 500 minus 2.5d is equal to 7.5d, d is equal to 50, d is equal to 300. Answer: a cask contains a mixture of 45 liters of wine and water in the proportion of 5:9. How much water must be used to it to so that the ratio of wine to water may be 7:4? Wine 5x, water 2x. 5x plus 2x is equal to 49. x is equal to 7, wine 35, water 14. Water added 7, 35 upon 14 plus y is equal to 7 by 4. 140 is equal to 98 plus 7 y is equal to 6. B is a sleeping partner and A is working. A puts in RS 5,000 and B puts in 6,000. A received 12.5% of profit for managing the business and rest is divided in proportion to their capital. A share of profit in a profit of RS 880 is managing for 12.5 upon 100 into 880 is equal to 110. Rest 770 rupees. Ratio A ratio B is equal to 5,000. Ratio 6,000 is equal to 5 ratio 6. A is equal to 5x, B is equal to 6x. So 5x plus 6x is equal to 776. X is equal to 70. A is equal to 350. Total A is equal to 350 plus 110 is equal to 460. Answer. The ratio between the numbers is 3:4 and their LCM is 180. The first number is A ratio B is equal to 3:4. A is equal to 3x, B is equal to 4x. LCM A comma B is equal to 3x comma 4x is equal to 12x. So 12x is equal to 180. X is equal to 15. A is equal to 3 into 15 is equal to 45. Answer. The present ratio of ages of A and B is 4:5. 18 years ago, this ratio was 11:16. Find the sum total of their present ages. A ratio 5, B is equal to 4 ratio 5, A is equal to 4x, B is equal to 5x. A plus B is equal to 9x, 90 years, 4x minus 18, 5x minus 18 is equal to 16 by 16. तो यहाँ पर 64x minus 20 288 is equal to 55x minus 198. तो 9x is equal to 90, x is equal to 10. हम बात करेंगे परसेंटेज की. तो since percentage represent the values obtained out of every 100 calculation can be done in following manner. Percentage is equal to value obtained upon total value into 100. Let in IIT JEE examination, Sanjay scored 135 marks out of 300 marks. Their marks obtained by Sanjay in percentage term is equal to 135 in 300 in 200 करेंगे तो हम परसेंटेज निकालेंगे 45%. Population. If the present population of a town or value of them item B P and the population or value of item changes in R% per annum, then a proportion population can value of an item after n years ago is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. Population or value of an item n years ago is equal to P upon 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. When R is positive or negative according as the population or value of item increases or decreases. If Shailendra salary is to 20% more than that of Surendra, then how much percent is salary of Surendra less than that of Shailendra? Surendra x, Shailendra x plus 20 x plus x per 100. तो यहाँ पर 12x हो जाएगा. Percentage by which Surendra and Shailendra difference upon Shailendra into 100%. 1.2x minus x upon 1.2x into 100%. तो 100 upon 6 is equal to 16.66%. The population of a town increase 20% annually if its present population is 1,20,000. What will it be in 2 years time? तो P इंटू 1 प्लस R अपॉन 100 टू द पावर n, 1,20,000 1 प्लस R 10 अपॉन 100 टू द पावर 2। यहाँ से करने के बाद काटने पिटने के बाद हमारा क्या है 1,45200। Which of the following is the largest number? 20% of 200, 7% of 500, 300, 300% of 3, 600% of 7। सबको निकाल लिया परसेंटेज फॉर्म में। आंसर हमारा क्या है डी, ये हमने निकाला है। ठीक है। इन एन एग्जामिनेशन मोहित obtained 20% more than Sushant but 10% less than Rajesh. If the marks obtained by Sushant is 1000, find the percentage marks obtained by Rajesh if the full marks is 2000. M is equal to 20 into 3 upon 100 in plus 5. M is equal to R minus R into 10 upon 100. M is equal to 20 into 1080 upon 100 plus 180, 1080, 216 plus 1080, M is equal to 1296, 1296 is equal to 100, R minus R 110 R upon 100, 1296 is equal to 90 upon 100, R यहाँ R आया 1440 है, 1440 upon 20,000 into 100, 72%. Profit and loss, cost price. The cost price of an article is the price at which an article has been purchased. It is abbreviated as CP. Selling price. The selling price of an article is at the price at which an article has been sold. It is abbreviated as SP. Profit or gain. If the selling price of an article is more than that cost price, then a gain or profit, thus profit or loss is equal to SP minus CP. If the cost price of an article is greater than that of selling price, the seller suffers a loss. Thus loss is equal to CP minus SP. Profit and loss are always calculated with the respect of the cost price. Then the item profit percentage is equal to profit upon CP into 100. Loss percentage is equal to loss upon CP into 100. Market price. Price of product which is being displayed in market price. Gain percentage is equal to SP minus CP upon CP into 100%. Loss percentage is equal to CP minus SP upon CP into 100%. If the cost price of M articles is equal to selling price of N articles, then percentage gain or loss M minus N upon N into 100. If M is greater than N, it is percentage gain, and if M is less than N, it is percentage loss. Discount. If two successive discount of an article are M percentage and N percentage respectively, then a single discount equivalent to the successive of discount will be M plus N minus Mn upon 100%. It can also be calculated as 100 minus 100 into 100 minus M upon 100 into 100 minus N upon 100%. इसके आगे का हम अगले वीडियो में देखेंगे। धन्यवाद।